In 1993, a small company called NVIDIA was founded in California by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Prime. Their goal was simple: make the best graphics chips in the world. Back then, hardly anyone knew their name. Fast forward 30 years, and NVIDIA is now at the heart of the AI revolution, powering the systems behind ChatGPT, Gemini, and many other applications. The stock has gone up massively over the years, but is it too late to invest? Let's find out. NVIDIA started with gaming. Their GPUs made video games more realistic and smooth, which helped them build a strong reputation among gamers. Later, they became essential for cryptocurrency mining and other high-performance computing tasks. Then, something big happened. Artificial intelligence started to boom. Companies realized NVIDIA's GPUs were perfect for AI because they can process many calculations at the same time, much faster than regular GPUs. Suddenly, a company that started in a niche market became a key player in one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Today, NVIDIA controls more than 80% of the AI GPU market. Its H100 chips and the upcoming B200 chips are used to train the biggest AI models. It's not just hardware. NVIDIA also built CUDA, a software platform that makes it easier for developers to use their GPUs. This gives them a strong advantage over competitors. Another important point: their data center revenue has now surpassed gaming revenue, and it's growing extremely fast. This is where most of the money comes from today. Let's talk numbers. In Q2 2025, NVIDIA reported $44 billion in revenue, up from $35 billion the previous quarter. Their profit margins are very high for hardware. Gross margin 60.5%, operating margin 49.1%, net margin 42.6%. Their market value is around $4.4 trillion, making it the most valuable company in the world at the time of recording this video. But the stock trades at a forward PE of about 36, which means investors expect years of high growth. Some people compare NVIDIA to Apple, while others warn about a potential bubble. Of course, there are risks. Competition is growing. AMD, Intel, and tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are developing their own chips. Almost all NVIDIA's chips are manufactured by TSMC in Taiwan, so any disruption there could impact production. In the last months, trade tensions and tariffs imposed by the US on China have created challenges for NVIDIA, since China is one of the most important markets. The company has had to adjust its strategy to maintain its presence in the country. Finally, if AI demand slows down, NVIDIA's growth could slow too. These are all important factors to consider. The future still looks strong. The next generation of chips based on Blackwell architecture promises even more performance. NVIDIA is also expanding into autonomous vehicles, robotics, healthcare, and the metaverse. Analysts expect revenue to keep growing at double-digit rates for years. The AI revolution is still running, and NVIDIA is right at the center of it. So, is NVIDIA too expensive today? On one hand, it's the undisputed leader in AI chips, with amazing financials and a visionary CEO. On the other hand, much of the growth is already priced in, and risks are real. At the end of the day, it comes down to belief. If you think AI is just getting started, NVIDIA could still be one of the most important stocks to watch. The question is, are you ready to pay for the future? That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.